Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find end-to-end encrypted chat settings on your accounts on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here, now click settings, and now click privacy and safety, and here you will find security settings, and you will find here end-to-end encrypted chat, and here you can manage it. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.